look like super crusty and musty and ugly is because they're pretty chapped and the lip liner is not working on them. So I'm sorry because of that.
Here I'm just setting my eyes with, I already set them with obviously the loose finish powder. I really like this, guys. This is like obviously like $5. I really like it. There's a lot of different shades you guys use. I use the lightest shade. I used to be more darker in my skin tone, but I don't know what happened. I've been getting lighter and I don't know what happened. I am so white, like I'm super white. If you guys can't tell, I'm super white. On camera you can't tell, I look pink, but other than that, I look super white from my chest, which is kind of funny. That's what I'm telling you about the foundation and stuff. Like sometimes I just get messed up and I don't even know what color to use. Oh, and also like I have this foundation that I got matched, this one right here. And since then, I've been noticing I got even more wider. So I think I'm gonna use this one right here. I actually used this palette in my Christmas lights video. So y'all might gonna think that I'm doing this video like too because I'm using the same shirt, but no. The other one was in the night and today is in the morning. So yeah. But yeah, I used this one for that one. I actually only used like 2 colors, but I really like this palette. It's really pretty. This is my first time trying ColourPop, so let's see how it really it's actually at Ulta. It's not where you can actually tell where it is, but it's somewhere around the more y'all gonna know what I'm talking about. It's around the Morphe area. It's like a really small little section, so you can't really tell if it's ColourPop. I actually bought it on the store, not online. So yeah, but let's gonna go in with this shade right here. What I hate about this palette is that it does not have like any transition color, like any like nudish color, because I usually like playing around with nude colors before putting on like a really bright color, especially when these are really pigmented, so that's why you have to go really careful before putting them on. We're actually going to go in with the other brown shade we have in the palette, and it's called My Treat. This one right here. The other one was called Our Secret, but this one is called Our Treat. My Treat or Our Treat, something like that. Edges of our eyes, and we're gonna leave the middle without any color if you guys can. If not, it's totally fine. Really pretty. That one is called Want You Back. Now that I don't have any nails in some of my fingers, I'm gonna go in with my pinky and just gonna go like this and then putting on my lid. Sometimes the payoff on doing with your finger and a brush is different, so yeah. I'm gonna go do my rest of my face and my other eye off camera, and I'll be right back before I even finish. Actually, let me see which eyelashes there were. They're the style from Kiss, the style Pompadour, this one right here. This is the final look I actually did today. It's just like a little cranberry look with some glitter in the middle. But yeah, if I kind of sound a little sick, it's because I'm a little sick. I gone better, so. And hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it. I usually don't talk in my videos because I feel like I talk so much. I feel like I talk so much in this video. By the end of the video, it's probably like around 30 minutes, but I'm probably just gonna short it down to like 8 to 10 minutes, 12. I don't know. But other than that, guys, hopefully you guys all enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed filming it for you guys too. Please stay tuned for more further videos coming on this month for Christmas. Everything for my social media will be down below in the description, and please click the bell button to be notified every time I upload a new video, and subscribe to my channel so I could get it to 1,000 subscribers, because I'm almost there. I need a little like 300, but I'm gonna make it. I know I can, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys all in my next one.